Dragged us out of drawdown here. I don't know if I'm going to take another trade. Oh, kind of just got my nerves shot a little bit because I really... This is looking like a really good setup for break and retest of this. Let's see what happens. There's the break. There's our retest, possibly. Or are we going to start just pushing from here? Boom, 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 boom. This is looking like a dump. I can't believe this thing won and we closed it. Oh my God, that's so annoying. That would have been it. We would have been done. I just gotta trust it. Like, it won. It didn't. Yep. Here's that 4-hour dump. Here we go. Let's see. Are we gonna break from this right here too? Are we? Are we breaking? Or is this gonna slingshot up? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This could just slingshot right back up, guys, and just fuck everybody. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's just craziness. Craziness. This is looking like a nice little... This is, yeah. But where, how far down are we going to go? There's a pivot here. It's 15-minute candle, straight drop, straight drop. Yeah. To be very, very careful here. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Very careful. So part of being a trader is losses, right? And you have to learn how to deal with them. And if you notice you're starting to get into, I don't want to say like a tilt rage or anything just remotely close to losing control of your mind. And I don't mean like you're going psychotic. I'm saying like things are starting to piss you off. You gotta walk away. If you don't, you're just gonna blow up. You're gonna blow up accounts. You gotta do it. And the only way that I can force myself to just walk away for a minute is to just rage quit. Otherwise, I'll be like, "Oh, everything's okay, guys. It's fine, and this is doing this and that, and then it's not fine." So I just have to like force myself to just not be there anymore. Now this looks like it's going to drop again. I don't know. That was a pretty hefty drop. Like it has some kind of consolidation period now. 650 tick drop. 650 tick drop. We need some kind of consolidation, but this is looking so good like a short right here. And look at that. Would you look at that? I can't use the 5 and 15 minutes because they're just straight drop, right? They're not helping at all whatsoever. And then this will, look at that. Look at these. Look at this, man. They are so trying to get people to sell this thing right now. And for what? Like, what's the reason? Here's this orb here. Why do they want people to sell right now? Here's a 45-minute end cap. Right there. And, oh, look where price is rejected. Like, to the tick. Look at that. Are we going to blow it through it and use it as liquidity, or are we going to reverse on it? I don't know, George. What do you think? I think we're going to blow through it. And then we don't, and this is where I get really fucking angry. Dude, how many break and retests do we need for price to move? We've already broken retest 3 times, 2 times. This is third. Go. Go. Just go. Just go, pricey price. Just go. I'm break even. Screw this. I'm closing. I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to take it. Just going to take it. There's a 40 tick scalp. I'm just going to take it. I was going for 100, but 40 is good enough. That's putting greens on the boards. 40 is putting greens on the boards. The 40s and the 40s. Greens on the board. Yeah, greens on the board. Mm-hmm. And look at that right there. Here it comes again. Possibly. Come on. Dumpy, dumpy, dump. Don't you do it. Thank you. Keep going. Keep going. And there's another 40 ticks. I mean, that right there just put my at my daily goal. I should probably just stop while I'm ahead. What do you guys think? Tell me in the chat, in the live stream. Tell me, I am at my daily goals, $500. Should I just stop? Here we go. There's my 3 banks of accounts. It's just the lead accounts basically for the rest of them. BC is, yep, see, BC's telling me the truth, man. He said, hang it up, bro. It's Friday. Could this keep dumping the rest of the day? Sure. But statistically, you're going to get screwed on Friday if you don't just take your money and run. And it's just the same way as on a Monday. Could it run? Sure. Statistically, on Monday and Friday, you're going to get screwed if you don't just take your money and run. I'm sorry for the drawdowns. If you guys didn't trade copy the rest of the trades to get out of the drawdown, I'm sorry that happened. And I'm just going to take the trades here. Here's the 3 banks of trades right there. I got $1.30 on this one. I don't know what happened there. And just run. And run. And run. Now, if we do catch these, or if we do bounce back up to the 1030 zone and reject it, I will do the micro thing. I will do our little micro trade. Try to get out of that. Well, I know I won't. It's Friday. It's not going to continue. It's not. I don't know. Let's see. Let's draw it out and see what we think it'll do. So that 2 to 1 back down to the low, basically. We got our 2 hour zone right here. Probably bounce off that, but we need to do our risk management off 45. So our 2 to 1's even a little farther down. So we're breaking a new low down right there. And how many ticks from this low? 200 more. So that's asking for a 1,500 tick drop from the top of the range. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about a 1,500 tick drop, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Here, I'll leave this here. I'll lock it and we'll look at it later and go, oh, shit. Yeah, it did do it. Right? See you, Tanya. Yeah. I'm just going to call it and be done. Hit goals. Rocky start, but goals were hit. And this is about to drop again, I think. Holy crap. Yeah, it is. Watch. This is about to just drop. There she goes. Is this the end of the world? Like, what's going on, man? Bear market. Bear markets are a little tricky to trade. The trades, if you catch them right, are really fast, but the retracements are insane. They're so wild. They are so wild. Don't. Hell yeah, Jeff. Jeff finished green on all of his accounts. Man, look at that gross to total to realize, God, the commissions on your account, Jeff. So many trades. I hate taking so many trades. Oh my God. So bad. So bad. But you're still green. Damn, you got a lot of accounts going there, Jeff. Oof. Let me pull up my P&L thing on Trade-Evate here, and then I will stop the streams. And there's that bad moves. Kikath, this is NQ, Nasdaq. Look, I told you it was going to dump again. Look, here it goes. Another one. Look at that. 166 2-minute candle. 166 2-minute candle. Oh, God. We could have got in that again, but no. All right, let me pull up the Trade-Evate account here and post it so that you can see my shitty ass win rate today. I go 100% 3 days in a row, and then Friday just fucking wrecks me. I hate Fridays, man. I hate them. I hate them with a passion. What do you mean missing parent account? You got the account. Go to reports. Click. Yeah, look at that. 66% win rate. Oh my Lord, with 1,800 in losses with 455 gross PO. That is just bad. That's probably my worst in a couple of weeks. No, last week. Monday. Monday was bad. There it is. There she is. Still profitable, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 1,800 in losses. Oh no, that's wins. 1,800 in wins, 1,300 in losses with 455 as my gross P&L. So still made some money, but it was pretty bad in 12 trades. When's the last time I took 12 trades in one day? Ooh. 66% win rate. Pretty bad. Let's actually look at the trades real quick. See what's going on here. So we'll get rid of this and we'll bring up this. Try to make it fit. Yeah, well, here we go. So these are all one contracts. So we lost 105, lost 350, won 200, won 200, won 20, lost 685. So basically, just this right here just brought it right back down. Won 495, negative 220 right here, 65, 510. That was a good one. 130 and 195. So, as if you look, any of the trades that I actually held longer than a minute were losses. So what's that is telling me is I just need to cut them faster, right? Now, the June trade, let's go to that real quick. Won, but I went break even, scared on it. I got scared, right? But it won. This thing's got a 90 to 100% win rate. We just need to I'm just going to let it go from now on. I'm not going to micromanage this trade anymore because the win rate is 92 to 100% depending on the week. And that trade, let's see, let's look. The entry is 861, right? At 952-ish. So 861. Let's look at it real quick. What did I say it was? Shit. 861. At 945. 52, I mean. Yeah, so there's the trade. There's your 100 ticks. There's your 500 bucks, right? And it went into not even 100 ticks of drawdown. So that's just telling me that I just gotta let it go and just trust it's gonna win, right? That's what I think. That's what I'm thinking on that. Because it hasn't lost. It's only lost once this month. God, get out of it. Why am I hearing this? Oh my God. There. It's only lost one trade this month. This strategy has. So let's look at that real quick. I don't know why it says 83, but yeah, it's only lost one trade this month. And it's 100 ticks every time. So I'm just gonna let it go. I'm not gonna micromanage that trade anymore. Just gonna let it run. Let it run. But I am done. We are up 545 or 455 or whatever it is. And take the money and